One wrong move, you could be blown into pieces.
Napansin mo ba? Minsan sa pag-uusap nyo, it feels like you are walking in a minefield. Minsan, isang simple statement lang can trigger an intense reaction or somehow, mood change. Hindi naman dahil sa mga nasabi, pero minsan dahil sa mga sugat na nadampian. Listen to this. Unhealed people, they don't listen with their ears. They listen with their triggers. Kaya yung responses nila, hindi laging sa present moment. It's all about past pain, unresolved hurt, or mga takot na matagal nang nakatanim at taon nang nakabaon. That's why discussions can quickly turn into defensiveness or withdrawal in communication to the point of shutting you down and creating the barrier. Police line, do not cross. Keep away. And that's painful. But you know what? Healing isn't just about feeling better. It's about hearing better. Madalas kasi, sariling emosyon lang natin ang pinakikinggan. It's about learning to separate the past wounds from the present words para makapag-respond tayo ng may humility at hindi mag-react aggressively. Life is a battlefield. If you find yourself frequently feeling attacked, wala nang nakakaintindi sa'yo o walang nakikinig sa'yo, ask yourself, nakikinig ba talaga ako? Or I'm just filtering everything through the lens of my pain. Listen to this. Growth starts with awareness. The more we heal, the more we hear. Here's what you need to do. The best therapy to heal your past pains is to enroll in this yoga group class like this. It's a growing women's community to empower one another without any judgments. Gym is not just for fit people. It's open to all kinds of body shapes. We value people and teach you on how to unload stress in this class to find your sanity. Find the nearest extreme gym branch today and start your journey of healing and empowerment. We are not just selling equipment or memberships. We are selling life because we believe that exercise